I'm Richie. I'm currently a surf guide here at Giant's Foot Surf. I've been coming here for 10 years since I was about 15. Currently, I live in San Diego and I surf Black's Beach every day. The reason that I always come here to Giant's Foot is because of the offshore wind effect that is in this area. Because of Lake Nicaragua to our west and the surrounding mountains, it's always offshore here all day, every single day of the year. So we never have to worry about the wind turning offshore. And if we add that to the fact of our positioning here in Nicaragua, we are so close to so many world-class waves, like Colorado's directly to our north and Manzanillo directly to our south, including other really awesome waves. We never have to worry about the wind turning onshore, and we can boat to each spot that's best whenever it's the best and whenever it's the least crowded, so we can always get the most waves. Another reason that I always come to Giant's Foot Surf is because of the staff. The staff here is always the best and the nicest people that you'll ever meet. The vibe here is great, and they know exactly where to go to get the best waves and also cook the best food here. So I would say if you're a beginner surfer or you're an advanced surfer, you should come to Giant's Foot Surf because the staff will get you the best waves for your skill level, and I'm sure you'll learn something new about surfing altogether.